What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Today is a beautiful Saturday, December 10, 2022. We're gonna go to Protected Film Solution. They're having a little get together, so it should be fun. We're gonna bring the McLaren, Ferrari, and Ferrari. Sounds like a good recipe for some fun. So we'll see you guys at Protected Film Solution. So for now, enjoy the ride. Pulling up to Protected Film Solution, and I already see a nice SVJ roaster. Just got your Protected Film Solution, so let's go do a quick walk around, check out all the whips. There's a lot of them, a lot of beautiful cars, and they got cool cars inside as well, so let's go check it out. Let's go inside and take a look at some of the cars that they got. Check out those cars. Wow, this is what I'm talking about. Look at this Bugatti. Fully carbon. Wow, what a piece of art. We gotta do cinematic shots of all the cars up here. This is too good not to. Let's go. Wow, what a lineup. So now everybody gonna go cruise around, probably hit PCH, maybe the canyons. I don't know where, but we're gonna go drive around, all of us together, so it should be a lot of fun. Look how many cars, that's just insane. Ridiculous. is gonna be wild. About lineup, man. That's V, Porsche. That was fun, man. We got like maybe 60 cars just rolling deep. Ooh, we hear noises. Right now we're gonna go through the canyons and rip around and have a little more fun. Gas station takeover. So many cars, crazy, man. That was so much fun through the canyon, and the McLaren, nice handling through the canyons. But look at all those cars. That was a maybe like 45-minute drive through the canyons, through highways, and through Mexico. We went top speed through Mexico. Well, let's check out the cars. right, everybody got gas and time to roll. Traffic jam with supercars. That's what's up. That was a very fun drive. We had probably like 50 cars and just ripping through the canyons, enjoying the beautiful weather. A lot of people were stopping, taking pictures. Wow, what a fun day. Thank you guys once again for watching this video. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what you do. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!